behind us.
Pull up in the lamb and then I jump right out the coffin. Murder on my mind, wrist cold, got me nauseous. Open up my mouth and let my diamonds do the talking. Blue sea nose, got my pockets crib walking. Talking shit, man. Don't even call my phone, I don't know the number. Leave a message at the tone, I ain't worried nothing. I ain't got the time, bitch, I'm always up to something. Bust down on my chest, I think my neck.
How you? Hey, you wanna bang? Oh. Both. I was told that pickup line works though.
I tried to slow way down like we driving slow. Now I'm trying to make some money for a show. I saw the highs to high, I live the lowest to low. I compare myself to flowers when I'm trying to grow. Take a couple extra seconds, hit the light when I'm not ready to go. Ocean water crashing to my sides, I feel like a cove. The wave created my flow, contradicted all my haters with a friendly hello. I don't pick up my phone, talk your piece to the tone. I'm too busy working, making beats at my home. I take a flight out to Rome, on the plane all alone. Having dreams about my future while I sit on my throne, yeah. Funny how I always wanna make a millions off a rap. Now I'm trying to put a city on the map. I guess I really want it bad, wanna buy my mama bad. Someone she can rest ahead and tell me, look at what we had, now look at what we have. I don't care about the funds, they always split in half. Told my brother Cam that we been going at this all wrong. We ain't gotta count the paper, we just gotta right our wrongs. And we always gotta write our own songs, yeah. I ain't trying to be a one and done, I wanna be around for long. I lost myself a couple times, but I ain't never lost the music. I gather my emotions when I'd rather use it. I'm feeling kinda useless, moving fast, never had no time to waste. Flying towards the sun to melt the tears upon my face. When the end is near, I hope that Malcolm holds the gate. Need to learn to live my life with love and leave behind the hate. I met him in the class and said you gotta wait. I had to stay around for all my people's sake, bitch.
Santos.
So many voices inside of my head, is it possible that I could be insane? I don't know, all that I do is that I am not structured to fit in with all of you lames. There must be someone inside of my head, because all I can think about is an escape. Only a matter of time before shit hits the fan, and I snap and I break like a branch when the wind gets a blow on my girl gets a blow on my gun to a head cocked back, and I'm blowing it snowing like Wednesday, it's Christmas, oh Christ. I'm like a dead body so cold I'm on ice. Now that I'm going, nobody can stop me. Cause so much what I say, then why don't you block me? See me on the gram going places you won't. Act just my friend, but befriend you I won't. I can spot a fight, motherfucker, anywhere I go. You think that I think you're my brother, I don't. And you wonder why I'm never hitting your phone. I think that I might just be better off alone. Finding those from the slender man, robbing the woods, getting stuck in the snow, and I don't even know if I will make it home. Think you see shit, but I see more than many men. Risking my life, I'm out here climbing mountaintops. The world is beautiful, why? Limit yourself to the block, still in the gutter, you run from the ups. Making moves, making my life with a shit. How does it feel to know that you ain't shit? No, I cannot fathom being stuck in a pit. Tired of hearing you spit, open your mind, stupid bitch.